guys, welcome back to Click Academics. In today's video, I'm going to be teaching you guys how to solve this exponential problem. So we have x to the power of x to the power of 2024 is equal to 2024. Now, what I'm first going to do is I'm going to let x to the power of 2024 equal to the variable a. So now I'm going to take the power of 1 over 2024 on both sides from here. So now we have x to the power of 2024 to the power of 1 over 2024 is equal to a to the power of 1 over 2024. Now, if we have something in the form a to the power of m to the power of n, this is equal to a to the power of m times n. So x to the power of 2024 to the power of 1 over 2024, well, 2024 times 1 over 2024, these two simply cancel out and it's simply just 1. So we have x to the power of 1, which is the same thing as x, is equal to a to the power of 1 over 2024. So now, going back to our equation here, we have x to the power of x to the power of 2024 is equal to 2024. And if I plug in a to the power of 1 over 2024 for x, I get a to the power of 1 over 2024 to the power of a to the power of 1 over 2024 to the power of 2024. And now this is equal to 2024. Now remember, a to the power of m to the power of n is equal to a to the power of m times n, meaning a to the power of 1024 to the power of a to the power of 1024 to the power of 2024, well, 2024 times 1 over 2024, these two cancel out and it's simply 1. So now we get a to the power of 1 over 2024 to the power of a is equal to 2024. Now, if I take the power of 2024 on both sides, then this would make these two cancel out, and I would simply get a to the power of a is equal to 2024 to the power of 2024. Now, if we have something in the form a to the power of a is equal to b to the power of b, then this means that a is equal to b. So in this case, this means that a is equal to 2024. And although we have a solution, a is not what we're looking for. We're looking for the value of x. So as we know, x is equal to 1 over 2024, 2024 to the power of 1 over 2024. So this means that because we already have our value for a, x is equal to 2024 to the power of 1 over 2024. So this is our answer. Hey guys, welcome back to Click Academics. In today's video, I'm going to be teaching you guys how to solve this exponential equation. So we have 9 to the power of x is equal to 1 over 3 to the power of x plus 3. Now, whenever we're solving exponential equations such as these ones, we always want to make the bases of the two terms the same. And right now, the bases are 9 and 1/3, which are nowhere near similar. So I'm going to change both of these bases to a common base, which is 3. So 9, this is equal to 3 squared. And 1 over 3, this is equal to 3 to the power of negative 1. Because remember, anything to the power of negative 1, a to the power of negative 1, this is going to be 1 over a. So now we simply just replace these two terms with their values. So 9 is 3 squared, so now we have 3 squared to the power of x is equal to 3 to the power of negative 1 to the power of x plus 3. Now, if we have something in the form a to the power of m to the power of n, this is equal to a to the power of m times n. So 3 to the power of 2 to the power of x, this is going to be equal to 3 to the power of 2 times x, which is simply just 2x. And now this is equal to 3 to the power of negative 1 times x plus 3. So now we have to distribute the negative 1. Negative 1 times x is negative x, and negative 1 times 3 is negative 3. So we have 3 to the power of negative x minus 3 is equal to 3 to the power of 2x. And if we have something in the form a to the power of m is equal to a to the power of n, this means that m is equal to n. Because both the bases are the same, that means both the exponents have to be the same as well. So this means 2x is equal to negative x minus 3. So now if I add x on both sides, these two cancel out, and I get 3x is equal to negative 3. And now if I divide both sides by 3, these two cancel out, and I get x is equal to negative 3 divided by 3 is negative 1. So this is our answer.